Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your WIKO U Pulse. So to do this you have to open the phone dialer at the first. Next go to the contacts right here, pick one of them. Next click on the edit icon and right now click on the three dots in the right upper corner. Click to set ringtone. As you can see, you can find here some default ringtones, but when you go back you are also able to add the custom ringtone by tapping on the plus, and right now you will be able to move to the play music, or we can simply choose a track from our files, and you can simply pick your default file, click on the right upper corner, and that's it. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.